John says, "It's your birthday. What do you want to do for your birthday?" My birthday has never been a big deal to me. And it's May 1st, May Day. My mom always forgot to flip the calendar, and it's always not really that nice. Well, this year, it's amazing. And so I thought, what do I want to do for my birthday? It's on a Saturday. What would you choose if it was going to be 80 in May on your birthday on a Saturday? What would you choose to do? I need a quick craft for Connie. So we're going side-by-side riding in like 20 minutes. So it's really going to be quick. I found this hat to go with my outfit, but it's boring. So we're going to put this on it. And I'm going to show you. The first thing that I have to do is decide what I want on this hat. So I want as much of this little bird as I can get. So to do this, we're going to take a scissors and I'm going to cut a section out as big as I can get it with that bird. All right. Now, I don't want these straight edges on my hat. I want a more torn look. So we're gonna take a paintbrush and we're gonna dip it in water. And we're gonna go around on the tissue paper. All right? And then it tears where the water is. It's a more controlled tear. So, torn edges versus straight. Much better. Now, we need to put it on this hat. Where's it gonna go? I might have to pull some of this off. So I'm getting it wet again. And I think that's good. We're gonna do that. So I have DIY's liquid patina. And we're gonna liquid patina this right onto the hat because I need a hat to wear today. So I'm gonna go right on the cloth of this hat. It's a cute hat, it's just plain. I don't want plain. I get that on there. Going into the crevices. And I'm gonna fill in where I didn't get liquid patina. Smooth it on there, just like that. More. Whoop. Let's just do it this way. Fold that over, fold it back. You got a little bit of time to work with it. Obviously, I don't want it on the white. Making sure my edges are down before that dries up. Then I'm gonna take, whoop, we peeled up here a little bit. All right, now we're gonna take some water and go over this tissue because we want it to tear again. Now a little more liquid patina on top of the tissue. And you can be done right there if you want, but we're gonna do one more step. My favorite things are riding a pontoon. I love to be on a pontoon when the sun is out. That's number one. Number two is painting. I love to paint, but it's gonna be nice out, so I need to enjoy the sunshine. Number three, I love to go side-by-side riding. Oh, I just love being in the side-by-side on a summer day and riding, looking at the views. Good thing John drives, or I'd stop and take a picture of everything. Number four, we're gonna add cute little pink flowers. So I have some kissing booth and I have some white swan. There's little flowers all over in here. So we're gonna add some. Right to the edge of this tissue. I like things in threes. Right there. Now I'm gonna add some down here on the bottom. Maybe just one. So what I do is I just take the kissing booth and make a circle. Then I take a little bit of white on my same brush and go in a circular motion, making it look like a flower. Easy peasy. We need some leaves. So we're going in with Aviary and making some little leaves so we all know they're flowers. So that's just a little, I don't know what shape you want to call it. Leaf shape, let's just say. And we'll do a couple more up here. And we need a couple down here. This one's gonna get an extra big leaf because he's an extra big flower. It's a kayak ride. I love to get in my kayak and float down the river in the sunshine, but that water's a bit too cold for having a little fun. The little birdie has orange in his belly. I thought I'd pull a little bit of orange, so I'm going to use some fire starter and go with just some kind of fun squiggles, just to pull in a little bit of orange. What do you think? Super fun? Maybe I want a little pink on there too. go with a little pink. All right, now it definitely looks like an artist hat. I need a little bit right over here. Do you know anyone that would wear this hat? Me. Number 5 is gardening. I love to put my hands in the dirt. I love to get my hands in the dirt and create something, get that spring out of there and get it ready for summer. So what do you think I chose? How about some Connie lines? I'm gonna go in with a little black dress, a very fine paintbrush, and give these flowers just a bit of an outline. That black really makes them pop. There it is, done. Now it just gets sealed with liquid patina when it dries. Let's hope it dries before we leave.
Bye, I'm leaving.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Thank you. All right, so we're doing one more thing. Let's decoupage this with the paper. So I'm gonna try this without tearing the paper because I don't know what shape it is. So we're gonna put liquid patina right on here. I'm gonna point you down. All right, we got liquid patina on there. Now we're gonna go with the paper and lay it in place. Whoops, I didn't catch any birds. Let's go this way to catch a few birds. I'm gonna get it all saturated in there. I can feel this isn't wet enough. So I'm going back in with some liquid patina and getting it on that edge. All right. You can see the shape of the hat now. Now I'm gonna try and rip it. I chose Friday night. I gardened. I dug up a spot in my flower bed. I gardened. Saturday morning, I painted. I painted this hat and also a few other things before we left. And then I also went for a side-by-side ride. And we put on 200 miles, I think, from morning until night. And I got to spend time with my friends. I got to spend time with family. And I got to go to the lake and sit by the lake and watch the sunset. So I hope you enjoy these photos. And I hope that for your birthday, you do some of your favorite things. It's not doing exactly what I wanted. It's a little rough. So I'm gonna try and tear some of that off. Getting it wet is the key, either with water or a liquid patina. This isn't the easiest thing to do, so maybe you do want to make a template and have the exact shape. But for now, for me, this is good. Now I'm going to go back over with some crystal clear liquid patina, making sure that it adheres all to that inside brim. There. Not many people will see it, but it's kind of fun under there. Then we also have to give this a coat of liquid patina, seal in that paint. There, now it's all sealed in. It'll dry crystal clear, just like the name. There's the hat. I will try and get you a picture while I'm side-by-side riding, because it's go time. Thanks for watching, and if you want any of these products, please shop thepaintedphotographer.com, and you can pick up your paint or the crystal clear liquid patina. And until next time, happy painting. Okay, we're wheeling at night. Listen to them frogs.